Hey there, I'm Alan from Prime Health, and here's something I'm sure you haven't heard before. Breakfast is way more than just your first meal of the day. For those of us over 60, it's actually the key to staying energized, healthy, and sharp. But if you're like most people, you might think breakfast is just a sugary cereal or maybe a quick coffee to get by. Well, let me tell you, that's a mistake. You might be thinking, but Alan, I don't have time for anything fancy. I need something quick and easy. I hear you. And you're in luck. Today, I've got 3 super simple yet nutrient-packed ideas that will fuel you for the entire day. These aren't just fast. They're scientifically proven to support your bones, your heart, and your brain. So, if you're serious about aging gracefully, this is a must-watch. Let's dive right in. All right, let's get one thing straight. A healthy breakfast isn't just about what's in your bowl. It's about setting your day up the right way. And when I say setting your day up, I mean giving your body the best possible fuel without spending hours in the kitchen. Simple enough, right? Here's the thing. When we age, our nutritional needs shift. What worked for us in our 30s and 40s just doesn't cut it anymore. So, how do we get the nutrients we need to keep our bones strong, our brains sharp, and our energy high? The answer lies in the food choices we make, especially in the morning. Let's break it down nice and easy. I'm about to share 3 breakfast ideas that are not only quick to make, but also packed with nutrients to support your overall health. Sound good? Let's jump right in. Breakfast idea. Number 1. Oatmeal with a twist. All right, let's kick things off with something you've probably heard of, oatmeal. But hold on, not all oatmeal is created equal. Plain oatmeal? Sure, it's fine. But if you're looking for a nutrient-packed breakfast, you need to step it up a notch. What you really want is a hearty bowl that's loaded with fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats, essential nutrients, especially for us seniors. Here's the twist. Instead of just adding water or milk, let's give it a little extra boost. Think. A tablespoon of chia seeds or flax seeds, packed with omega-3s, these powerhouses support brain health. A handful of fresh berries, blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries. These little gems are bursting with antioxidants, fantastic for both your heart and brain. And finally, a drizzle of honey or a few slices of banana to sweeten it up without sending your blood sugar on a roller coaster. Now, why is this combination so important? The fiber from the oats keeps your digestive system running smoothly, while the healthy fats and antioxidants from the seeds and berries help reduce inflammation and protect against chronic conditions. Quick tip. Want an extra protein punch? Stir in some Greek yogurt or your favorite protein powder. It's a great way to support muscle maintenance, something we all need as we age. Breakfast idea number 2. Avocado toast with an egg. All right, I know what you're thinking. Avocado toast? But trust me, this isn't just a trendy food fad. This one's a winner. Avocado is a superstar for seniors. It's packed with healthy fats, fiber, and potassium. Great for your heart and bones. And when you top it off with an egg, you're adding high-quality protein and essential vitamins. Here's how you do it. Grab a slice of whole grain toast. Whole grains are rich in fiber and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Spread half an avocado on top. Use a fork to mash it. Top it with a fried or poached egg. I like a runny yolk because it's packed with vitamins and healthy fats. Here's why this is great for seniors. The healthy fats in avocado support brain function, while the protein in the egg helps maintain muscle mass, something we all need to watch as we age. And don't forget about those whole grains. They're key to maintaining steady energy throughout the day, without blood sugar crashes. Breakfast idea number 3. Smoothie Power Bowl. Now, if you're in a rush but still want something that packs a punch, let's talk about smoothie bowls. Smoothies are great because they're quick to prepare and full of vitamins and minerals. But when you turn it into a bowl and add some toppings, it becomes a full meal that will keep you going until lunch. Here's what you need: a base of unsweetened almond milk or Greek yogurt. Both are great sources of calcium, which is essential for bone health. Add a handful of spinach. Don't worry, you won't taste it, but you will get all those iron and magnesium benefits. Add a frozen banana or a few frozen berries. These will give you that sweetness, plus antioxidants. A tablespoon of peanut butter or almond butter for healthy fats, and a bit of protein. And here's the secret. After blending it up, top your smoothie bowl with chia seeds, walnuts, or some granola. These toppings will give you that crunch and an extra dose of omega-3s for brain health. Quick tip: you can sneak in some protein powder here too. It'll add a little extra muscle support, and you won't even notice. Tip number 1. Add more protein. If you're looking to support muscle mass, and I'm sure you are, protein should be a key focus in your breakfast. As we age, it becomes harder to keep muscle tone, so adding high-quality protein to your meals is a must. One easy way to do this is by mixing in a scoop of protein powder into your smoothie, oatmeal, or even your yogurt. And don't just think of traditional protein powders. Collagen peptides are an excellent option too, especially for your joints and skin. The best part? You won't even taste it. You could also try adding more eggs to your meals. They're a great source of complete protein, and as you saw earlier, they pair perfectly with avocado toast. Or, toss a couple of boiled eggs into a salad for lunch. Easy, quick, and full of benefits. Tip number 2. Boost fiber intake. You've heard me mention fiber a few times already, and that's because it's critical for seniors. Fiber helps with digestion, keeps you regular, and plays a huge role in managing blood sugar levels. Plus, it helps lower your risk of heart disease and supports a healthy gut. So, if you're not already eating enough fiber, now's the time to start. How can you get more in your breakfast? Easy. For example, add some ground flax seeds or chia seeds to your oatmeal or smoothie bowl. You can also add a handful of oats to your smoothie. If you're making toast, go for whole grain options, and try mixing in some high-fiber fruits like pears or apples. They're a perfect pairing with yogurt or oatmeal. Tip number 3. Don't skip healthy fats. Healthy fats are essential for brain and heart health, 2 areas we definitely want to keep sharp as we age. The best part? Healthy fats keep you feeling full longer, which means fewer cravings as the day goes on. If you're a fan of avocado, you're already on the right track. But don't forget about other healthy fats like olive oil, nuts, and seeds. You can sprinkle a handful of walnuts over your oatmeal, or mix some almond butter into your smoothie bowl for a delicious, creamy texture. Olive oil is another great option. Try drizzling a little on your veggies, or mix it into your dressing for a heart-healthy boost. Tip number 4. Support your bones with calcium and vitamin D. As we age, maintaining bone health is incredibly important. Osteoporosis becomes a real concern, especially for women. But here's the thing. You can't have strong bones without calcium, and you need vitamin D to help your body absorb that calcium. It's a simple combo, but a powerful one. You don't have to drink a gallon of milk to get your calcium. Greek yogurt, fortified plant-based milks, and leafy greens are all excellent sources. And for vitamin D, try adding a little sunshine to your morning routine, or opt for fortified foods like certain cereals and juices. If you're not sure if you're getting enough vitamin D, a supplement might be a good idea too. Just check with your doctor first. Tip number 5. Manage blood sugar with the right carbs. Carbs get a bad reputation sometimes, but when you choose the right kind, they can actually be your friend. The key is opting for slow-digesting carbs that won't spike your blood sugar and cause energy crashes. Stick with whole grains, like the oats in your oatmeal or whole grain bread for your avocado toast. Sweet potatoes are another great choice, packed with vitamins, fiber, and they're slow burning, which means steady energy for hours. I'd recommend avoiding overly processed carbs like white bread, sugary cereals, or pastries. Not only are they low in nutrients, but they can mess with your blood sugar too. Tip number 6. Hydration is key. It's easy to forget about hydration, but drinking enough water is essential for everything from digestion to brain function. In fact, dehydration can make you feel sluggish and even confuse your body into thinking you're hungry. Try starting your day with a glass of water. If you need a little more flavor, add a slice of lemon, or try coconut water for some natural electrolytes. Herbal teas are another great option. Chamomile or green tea can be both soothing and refreshing in the morning. And if you're not a big fan of water, make sure you're eating hydrating foods like fruits and veggies, especially ones with a high water content like cucumbers and watermelon. When you're putting together your breakfast, keep in mind that it doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. A few simple swaps here and there can make a huge difference in your overall health. And if you can start the day with something nutrient-dense, it sets you up for success, both in terms of energy and longevity. The goal is to keep it simple, keep it nutrient-packed, and keep it enjoyable. Because a healthy breakfast isn't just about eating, it's about nourishing your body for a strong, active day ahead. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more practical insights. At Prime Health, we simplify diets, supplements, and nutrition. No fluff, just facts.